up the Domino's pizza. Another day off today. Yes. The whole pizza is here finally. Yes. We're here now in the Domino's pizza. Yeah. I'm ordering a whole pizza. Yeah. So I ordered that online and I gonna go down, yeah, to check if my order is there already. I'm just in a very home style. Yeah, look. Yeah, so just I never change. Yeah, very home style. So hot and yummy, delicious. Wow, pizza, my snacks for today. Yay! And going back the Domino's pizza. Yes. Home now with this deluxe pizza. Got everything on this, so I'm gonna eat my snacks. Yay! Yummy delicious. I'm home now. Yummy delicious. Yeah. Cheers, I'm home. Gonna eat my deluxe pizza. Got everything in it. Yes. Pizza. Cheers. Yum, delicious. I'm eating here in the balcony or porch. Being from McDonald's food chain, but still no dine-in, so I'm now walking down the road, going to the bay or lake area, yeah, to eat my takeout foods. Yeah, because I'm craving for something McDonald's. Yeah, I love McDonald's. Wish there's Jollibee here. So this is the area where I gonna eat my McDonald's. Yeah. So sad but happy. Needs to be happy because yeah, it's for always our safety. So I'm here. This one in this area overlooking, so that one, and I gonna eat in this beautiful area. Yeah, so that's the beautiful place, a bit windy. Yeah, and this one under this beautiful shade. Yes, cheers. And then this is the scenery while eating. That is so amazing. And this is where gonna sit with the beautiful amazing foods and like mukbang. Yeah, beautiful scenery. So see you and starting to eat. Beautiful. Yeah. Cheers. McDonald's. Big Mac. Cheers. Fries. Large fries as always. And cheers. The scenery. While having McDonald's lunch. Actually, it's very early lunch. And this is where I am. the beautiful scenery as always, and the beautiful, beautiful sun shining sunny day. Amazing. And that is the house. Yeah, traditional American house, I guess. And this is the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scenery overlooking that beautiful waterfront. It, yeah, so amazing weather. I love it. Windy, breezy, sunny. Eating my delicious Big Mac. Yeah, here I gonna stroll while I'm eating. Yeah, enjoying the beautiful breeze, the beautiful air in this beautiful area. Cheers for my Big Mac. See how beautiful, and my background, that's where